AC pumping though. Ay, ay, ay. Copyright strikes. Alright, so today is June 4th. Not too long. Well, we're still finalizing some things from the alternator swap, the Tida alternator swap. You know, so you all will see that video just now in a little bit. Probably like later today, if anything. I just have some final pieces to do to that video, but we're on track. And trying to get ready for tomorrow. Well, we're trying to get the Laurel ready for, oh gosh, for tomorrow, which is June 5th, which is drift. Today is June 4th, Saturday before. Anyways, it running and getting stuff for the Laurel to get working, which was like gas and tires and little different errands and stuff. A rental issue. Let me just show you. Yeah. Alright, so park my car somewhere, just running some errands, and it get a good whack, you know. Hurt a little bit. I wasn't in the car, thankfully for that, and the people who hit the car wasn't hurt. You know, don't worry about the legal stuff because I already did all of that, you know. So we just to wait on insurance and stuff like that. But the purpose of, you know, talking about it, showing it, is because it's been about 3, almost 4 years or so, about 3 years or so of this car not having a service because we was trying to make money for that car, you know, to fix that car. So if it wasn't for this car, that car wouldn't be possible. A whole lot of stuff on the channel would be possible. So, you know, getting the Laurel up and running would have been like the start of me doing a refresh on the Civic, right? You know, how to service it and make it look a little better, neaten it up, all of that, full front to back rebuild. But I had no choice now. So, you know, hope y'all, you know, would be interested to see that, but I have to do it because, you know, there's my baby, there's my first, you know, and has been nothing but good to me. You know, she got in the accident and she drove home like a trooper. So yeah, so rebuild coming soon. We're going and we're going to start work on the Civic more. So Honda Love coming soon. Before I end this video though, we'll just go through like the different things wrong with it, so you would have an idea of the things we had to do. But I can't do anything until the insurance comes and the adjuster comes and, you know, evaluate the damages and stuff like that. So you have a while to wait before the rebuild come, but it coming. It had to come. I have no choice, right? So let's just run through some of the damages real quick. Alright, so bumper. Well, these was on tie strap because quick release, so, you know. I didn't have on the front lip, so the front lip actually inside, so that's good. Mash up bumper there, blah blah blah. This is the minor things, right? This is really major damages. From the looks of it, my wheel is straight right now, my steering wheel is straight, and the wheel is further back. So most likely cradle bend, tie rod bend, you know, little things. I'll have to probably check the knuckle, well, the spindle, fender. So far that's what it's looking like, but the person basically they got bad drive. So they was my car was parked on the road and they was trying to fit between my car and somebody was coming in the opposite direction, and bad drive them actually hit with their mirror and they in panic, well, as an elderly person. They in panic kind of swerved and hit me and drove up on me and pushed the car onto the pavement. So a good bit of curb rash from the actual accident, fender damage, and side skirts. This is where the car was resting on the pavement, and well, if you look, I don't know if you can see it, but the wheel actually kind of pointing, well, watch it in relative to the front. The wheel kind of pointing this way and the front wheel kind of pointing this way, or kind of straight. Right, so that's the damage you're looking at. This is probably what hurts me the most though. See this? This is from, where it went up on the pavement. This is what hurts me the most. like I actually want to cry. Because I don't know, who really repairs curb rash on chromes, especially. But, oh wow, tire busting. Oh nah, that's just the tire, that's just the sticker. Anyways, so damage to the back suspension as well. As I was driving it, was crab walking a lot. But yeah, that's about it. Exhaust dragging. Exhaust is now currently on the floor now. That touches all the time, everywhere now, because it's so close to the ground now. Yeah, that's what we're looking at. Isn't much per se. It'll take a good bit of time before we could get her back. Come here. It'll take a little while before we could get her back up and running, but stay tuned for the rebuild. She will come back stronger and better than ever, I would like to believe. But for now, Laurel had to make sure I get this working, so that's how I could go to work, to make funds, to work on my pride and joy, right? Anyways, guys, it's a big deal, but really and truly, it's not a big deal. So don't worry yourselves. I am good. I was not in the car. The car was parked. So nothing wrong with me personally, but she hurt it. So I hope y'all along for the ride. I know a lot of y'all watch the channel because Laurel and drifting and stuff like that, but I had to go back to my roots. I had to work on my race car, my everything car, my work, my pride, my joy, my recreation, my therapy, my bread and butter. I had to work on it. So I really hope you all along for the ride, and show some love for the Civic now, the little Honda that could, because she got in an accident and she drove all the way home. So I couldn't ask for a better car, to be real honest with you. So hopefully the rebirth of the Scarlet Speedster will be one worth watching. Anyways, it's been your boy Marty Menace. See you all June 5th, which is tomorrow, at Waterfield. Bye guys.